Hello, Nissan Juke head unit removal. So to remove the unit, you need to start from the bottom. To remove this climatronic panel, you have two gap spaces there where you can insert your pry tool. Just find the gap and then it will allow you to pry the unit. Sometimes it's a bit more stiff. And this is how it comes out. Then two Phillips screws. Now we need to remove the air vent, so I will start from the bottom and gently pry it out. And to be sure that you have no problem, just disconnect the airbag and the unlock light. Put the panel aside, and now you have 4 more Phillips screws. This unit comes to us for repair because it keeps switching off, so we need to remove it to fix it. For the back screws, I recommend to use the magnet so you don't drop them inside. So just use the magnet, take the screws off. Now you can slide the unit out, twist it so you can see the plugs. Just press on the side clip to release. You have like a side clip to push, and disconnect one by one. Okay, this is how you remove it. So in case you have any problems with these units, you can get in touch with us. We will fix them for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.